Welcome. In this video, we're going to do a difference quotient example. Here, we're given a quadratic function, f of x equals x squared minus 7x. We're asked to find and simplify the difference quotient, which is given. So our difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x, all of which is divided by h. Now, what you want to notice is we are always given our function f of x. And the first step for these problems is going to be to find f of x plus h. So we're going to plug x plus h into the function for x. We're going to plug that expression in for just the variable x. And that gives me the quantity x plus h squared minus 7 times x plus h. So take a moment, make sure you understand how I plugged x plus h in for x, and I've got my square to apply to all of that expression, and then minus 7 times, again, that quantity x plus h. Here I'm going to go ahead and simplify. That gives me x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. We FOIL this. X plus h squared means x plus h times x plus h. So we go first, outer, inner, last. And then I'll distribute. I have negative 7x and minus 7h. And there are no like terms to combine here. So I know what this expression is going to be. My second step is to set up my difference quotient. So setting that up, f of x plus h, we have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 7x minus 7h. And then we have minus our original function, x squared minus 7x. And remember, all of this is always going to be divided by h. Once we have it set up, our last and final step is to simplify. Now simplifying, remember that minus will distribute. So I'll have x squared minus x squared. Those are going to cancel. And then I have negative 7x minus negative 7x. Negative 7x plus 7x. Those cancel, and that is 0. So now I have 2xh plus h squared minus 7h over h. We need to look at all of the pieces that are left in the numerator. I had 1, 2, 3 terms left. Now you'll notice in my numerator, all 3 of my terms have an h. At this point, I'm going to factor that out. That's h times 2x plus h minus 7 all over h times h in the numerator times h in the denominator. That's h times 1. That leaves me with 2x plus h minus 7 over 1. And we do not need to write, divide by 1. So that is the final answer for our quadratic difference quotient. As always, please reach out to me if you need extra help. Don't forget to use that Ask My Instructor a Question button.